This is a video showing you how we created the knots of pearls. Your kit is going to include your stainless steel wire, your pearls, your lobster clasp, your head pin, your jump rings, your extension chain. The first thing you're going to do is unroll your stainless steel wire and you're going to cut it in half. So our first step was to load our stainless steel wire with each color of beads that were sent to us. Then we're going to pick up our wire, and on each one of our wires we're going to add one of our 2mm rounds. We have our 2mm on. Now we're going to bring both of our wires up together and we're going to add our 3mm round. And now that you have your silver beads on both of your strands, you're going to pull up on each wire tightly until you have them loaded on nicely like this. Now we're going to start to create our wrap. I bend back towards me. I take both wires around and underneath. I use a pair of bent nose or flat nose to grab the ends of my wire, and all I do is wrap a couple of times, just like this. Then I use my nipper and my bent nose to hold it in place, and I nip off the excess stainless steel, making sure I get it close enough so I don't have anything poking out. I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Next step, we're going to lay each one of our strands in the opposite direction. We're going to put them together to create our knot. So we're going to lay them on top. One side is going to go underneath, and our opposite side is going to come up through. We're going to pull, and we've created our knot. Then we're going to bend our wires around. So now we have the front of our bracelet. Now we're going to complete our bracelet by just adding our dangle, our extension chain, and our lobster clasp. Now we've loaded our pearls onto our head pin, and we're going to create our dangle. So again, we're going to wrap our head pin back towards me, away from me, underneath, and stop. Add your chain. We have our chain added on. And now we're going to complete our wrap. And again, I use my bent nose as my second set of hands because I can get it much tighter than by trying to do it with my finger. We have our dangle completed. We cut off our excess wire. With a jump ring, we're going to add our lobster on one side, our dangle on the other. To add our jump ring, open it, we just slightly push away, take it through one end, Load your lobster, close it, and when you're closing it, you should hear it click together. Make sure you got it closed. Might have to wiggle it a couple of times. I feel it to see that there's no seam, no gap. You're going to repeat on the other side with your dangle. And now, and this goes up to an 8-inch bracelet. Mold it. And there we have the knots of pearls.